Good morning, everybody. Today is September 22nd, 2022, Thursday, and today we'll be talking about inverse ETFs. Most of you probably never heard about it, but these are the ETFs that are perfect for a time like this in the stock market, because these ETFs actually short a bunch of stocks, and that's why they call kind of inverse, because instead of doing straightforward buying of stocks, they actually doing completely the opposite, and they borrow the stocks at the current prices, dump them on the market, sell them to other investors, and then they hope to buy them back at much lower prices, and that way they would be able to keep the difference and profit from it. So in recent years, the number of inverse ETFs actually exploded, and now we have 78 inverse ETFs that you could choose from and actually buy them. So we know all those things, such as interest rate hikes by the Federal Reserve, the war in Ukraine, inflation, I guess certain amount of unemployment, and people actually leaving their jobs to do their own things. But in any case, the market is dropping. Today we could see that NASDAQ, last time I looked, was down 100 points, and Dow was a little bit down as well. But if you are actually buying stocks, then at least short term you will feel some pain because your positions would decline in value. So instead of getting negative emotions about the market, you could actually get positive emotions in time like this. And you should consider buying the following inverse ETFs. I will just give you the stock symbols because their names don't really mean much. But one is TBT, TBF, TMV, TTT, TYO, SQQQ. This one actually shorts NASDAQ 100 symbol index. SH, this one actually shorts S&P 500 index. SDS, PSQ, SVXUY, SPXU. And the list is available here inside of my app. You could see it. It's pretty extensive list. So, and if you want to, you could actually click on any of those stocks, and let me just show you. You could just click on any of them, and suddenly you would be able to see the charts, and you could see the charts all looking kind of bullish. They're all going up. So most investors don't know about this instrument, about this inverse ETFs, but it's actually a very good tool to profit from when the stock markets are declining and a barrage of negative news is coming daily to the market. So the full list is available inside of my app, and if you want to get this app, you could just go to this website. It's a link that will take you to the app in different app stores, such as Apple App Store, Google Play for Android devices, or Amazon App Store. So the app covers 7,500 stocks and some ETFs, including this inverse ETFs. It updates ratings every single day for all the stocks inside of the app. So if something goes good, the app will notify you, and just you will see right on front page the list of the best stocks to buy. But obviously situation changes daily, so if something goes bad, the app will quickly update itself and change the rating from a buy to a sell, so you would not be caught by surprise, like in most cases when they recommend you a stock on CNBC or some analysts, and then they don't talk about it. Meanwhile, the stock goes south, and the next time they talk about it, you're already down 20, 30, 40% on your position. With this app, you would be able to see that something changed basically the next day, and hopefully you'll be able to react quickly and switch your positions by selling the bad ones and buying instead the good ones. Thank you for your time, and good luck trading, and bye bye now.